We were out overlanding on north rim of Grand Canyon outside called Torrelweep. It's about 80 miles in the middle of nowhere. So we got all the way out there. There was a metal piece of my tire. I'm sure he picked it up on the highway and the trail put it in. So I got my brand new high lift jack out and jack up the side of the car, and it's stuck. It's like, so obviously there was something wrong with it, and I couldn't get it to go down when I put it in reverse position. Luckily I had a safe jack with me, which I can store in my rooftop box because it's compact enough. Pulled it out, jacked the thing up, was able to remove the high lift and change the tire, and on the road. Everything worked out perfectly.
My name is Brent Baker and I run Oregon Adventure Trucks in Bend, Oregon. I found out about SafeJack years ago at one of these rallies that we're at. I was looking for an option for my own personal rig. Once I lifted it, I did not have the extensions that I needed for my factory jack to reach my vehicle anymore, and I was looking for a safe way to lift my vehicle off-road. Met the guys at SafeJack. They really helped me out. I've had a lot of confidence in the jack system itself and all the attachments that they had available, and bought one, tested out, and it ended up becoming my tried and true jack of choice. I carry it every single day in my truck. I use it for everything. I use it for lifting my vehicle if I'm doing some type of a tire repair. I use it just at home to lift my vehicle if I'm rotating tires. Honestly, on-road, off-road, any condition, the SafeJack does what it's supposed to do. The attachments hook onto the frame of my truck, which I absolutely love. And I know that I have a stable base so that I'm not putting myself or anybody that's traveling with me in danger. I always rely on SafeJack to kind of help me get through those times. The team at SafeJack is awesome. Their customer service is fantastic. Anytime I had an issue with myself or one of my customers, they've been super responsive. It's probably the only jack that you will need to carry in your vehicle, and it's one that I feel is definitely the best option out there.
My name is Jay Scott. I'm the founder of Next Jump Outfitters. I've been in off-roading my entire life. We at Next Jump only sell gear that we use and believe in, and I've used my high lift jack without the SafeJack tools multiple times. I've almost knocked myself out. I've almost taken my finger off. I was at an expo years and years ago and I ran into the SafeJack folks. They gave me their spiel. I thought, okay, I'll try it out. I wouldn't use my high lift jack without it. We do demos, we use it all the time. Hands down, like I've walked by their booth 10 times today and anybody I see standing in there, I'm like, you need this. I frankly wouldn't feel safe using a high lift jack without the SafeJack equipment. So it's a brand that I recommend to anybody.
I'm Mike Block with Backroad Full Drive Training, and we teach full drive recovery and vehicle driver training in the Pacific Northwest. I'm a 30-year plus airplane mechanic. What I understood was boat aviation, a 30-plus year aviation professional, and I recognized the name, and the thought process for me was, okay, these guys make aircraft jacks which have to be made to a FAR standard, which is basically aircraft law. With SafeJack, like one of their primary pieces of equipment they sell is aircraft jacks. So aircraft jacks and the standard that aviation is held to, you can't go wrong with quality welding and made in Tri-Cities, Washington.